Hello, I'm Tori Scroggins, and today I'm here with my little sister, Destiny Massey of True to U Designs. I'm going to include all of her information in the description below so that you can check her out. All right. And first I'm going to moisturize the face. Make sure your skin is nice and hydrated. Today I want to show you how to get good coverage and use less foundation. Alright, I'm going to do your eyes first. So what I want to do is give you a little bit of coverage using a liquid foundation on your eyelid. Put a little powder on it so that the eyeshadow goes on easier. So this is an all-purpose cloth tape, and I'm going to place it here to help give you a really dramatic upwards wing. I'm going to take this concealer brush that I have and use it with this black foundation by Mayron to create a really vampy black eye. And I'm going to be like really careful with my placement, which is the reason why I chose this concealer brush, because it fits perfectly into the lid to give it the shape that I'm trying to achieve. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow, some matte black powder eyeshadow, with a slightly bigger brush, and I'm going to go right over that black with it, and it's going to give me a nice smoky edge at the crease. And then I'm going to wing it out towards the edges and up towards the brow bone. I'm going to go over the brow bone with a shimmery beige eyeshadow and smudge it down with my fingers. I'm going to take a medium brown pencil and just draw in some hair strokes only where it's sparse. I'm going to bring it in towards the center of the face a little more. And I'm going to lay down some brown eyeshadow powder on top of that to set that wax eye pencil down. Now I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and draw it across the top of the lash line. And out and upwards into a sharp point. And take my fingers and blend it in. I'm going to leave the edges sharp though. And use black eyeliner on the inner waterline. I'm going to take a small brush and smudge it along the bottom of the lash line. And I'm going to use a damp brush to blend the foundation into the skin. I like to use this brush because it's a good way to buff it into the skin. And I don't know if you could feel it, but it's a very lightweight coverage.
I don't feel like I have anything on my face.
Yeah.
I just feel like you just been wiping my face. I don't feel anything on my skin.
And that's the goal, especially in the summertime. I'm going to use a lighter color foundation here under the eye just to highlight it a little bit. I'm applying it with a concealer brush. I'm also going to use it in between the eyebrow and down the center of the nose a little bit. I'm going to use my ring finger to blend it in. Just right directly under the eye, I'm going to just set it a little bit with some powder. All right, now I am going to take a creamy liquid highlighter and I'm going to use it right on top of your cheekbones, but I'm going to avoid going into the center of the face. I want the skin to look like it's glowing, but I don't want it to be shiny in the middle of the face. And I'm going to put a little bit down the center of the nose, on the Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the center of the chin. And you just have that nice little glow right down the middle of the face. So now I'm going to set the center of the face with a pressed powder. When you turn your face, you can see you still have a nice glow, and it just looks like beautiful skin. I'm going to mix a tiny bit of the black eyeshadow with the brown, and I'm going to take this brush and blend it right into the side of the nose there to contour. And I mixed in a little bit of black, very little, wiping most of it off on the back of my hand so that it's mostly just the brown, because I want to give it a really smoky continuation to go along with the eye that we just did. I'm going to use that same mixture of the black and brown on your cheek. You can continue smiling there like you were. And I'm just looking for right here where the hollow of your cheek is. And I'm going to blend it starting from up into the hairline, down into the cheek in little circles. And up into your temples and forehead and the jawline. Now I'm going to take this gold powder highlighter, smile again, and get it right on top of the cheekbones there, going a little bit up into her brow bone, a little on the chin, the Cupid's bow again. And with my finger, I'm just going to go a little bit down the center of the nose. Now I'm going to take this Cranberry Brightening Brick by Bobbi Brown and dust it onto the apples of the cheeks and into the temples, as well as the chin. All right, so now we got mascara on. So I'm going to put some lip balm on your lips now, blend that in for me. I'm going to use a black eyeliner to line your lips. This is an old school ghetto trick that I don't highly recommend, but for the look we're doing today, we're going to go for it.
You mean one of the things you yell at me about?
Yes. This is the type of thing I usually tell Destiny, don't do. Do as I say, not as I do. And we're taking a bright red lipstick and going on top of that. Open your mouth. And there we have it, a graphic smoky eye with a black cherry lip. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions you have in the comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials.